Okay, y'all, it's 1:30 in the morning. Well, 1:30, almost 1:30. We about to get ready. Look at my nails. A mess. We about to get ready to go to Houston. Anthony's birthday is next week, and he want to get some stuff for his birthday. So we about to go to Houston. So this will be a little vlog. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as possible, but I probably won't be in this vlog as much. Probably be more behind the camera. But yeah, I will vlog this, so make sure you come and like and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any videos.
Here we come. North side. Get that mouth on that bitch, man. Get that mouth, man.
We had to make a quick bathroom break. Stop. Look at IHOP. We're not getting nothing to eat. It just wasn't nowhere else to use the bathroom.
Turn that shit off. Turn that shit off.
But yeah, we'll probably see y'all once we get to Houston.
Let me see you in a minute.
We got like 4 hours left, so. On our last stop until we get there, we got like 2 hours left. Right now we just about to get some more gas, head back out, and be there. It's kind of a long trip, but honestly it's not that bad. So once we get back on the road, maybe I'll film some more, maybe I won't. Can I record in here?
No.
Can I record in here? Just for my YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just making sure.
Diamond, this is the diamond, the lights of bees, top and bottom. Yep. Yeah, do that for you. Turn around, pull out. Pull out.
I want the
No way, man. That's how it is. Honeycomb setting.
You said this is what?
Honeycomb setting.
Honeycomb setting. Okay. What? Let me see the print set.
Those are the
That's the honeycomb. He just showing me the setting.
settings.
That's the honeycomb. Right?
It's very like
That's
You
crazy.
see that? You see that dance?
Yeah, that's
Don't get it fucked
them
up,
doing
though.
jumping
That's
jacks,
hard.
them break dancing. Them like, y'all see me? But he's like, I know you see me.
I'm Nene.
Okay, yeah. So like, he connected the diamonds.
Steady.
He connected the diamonds. And he said he want to know if how much for just 2 teeth, or just
You
the
want-
SIs.
yeah. Do you want single caps?
Yeah.
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 Okay, so 2 single caps, and do you want a permanent or? you
Nah,
wanna
pull out.
Oh, okay, pull outs. So he probably. we
Ball
discussed
smooth, boy.
3 inches wide.
Yeah.
A whole lot of no sense shit.
Just looking down here gives me anxiety. Makes my adrenaline rush.
Key motherfucking Glock. Where the nigga Dolph at? Where Dolph at? Houston. It was lovely. Spent a lot of money with y'all, man. A lot of bands with y'all, Houston. But we're finna get back to Tulsa, Oklahoma, man. Gang.
Okay, y'all, so we finally made it back home, literally like 24 hours on the dot. Our next trip is Miami, so make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos. When I post, I'm so tired. I got sick out there. I got a sore throat. Annoying. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos when I post. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video if you can, and I will see you guys in my next video.